Hi, my name is Andy Stroll, and on behalf of Expert Village, in this clip we'll be discussing the end of the game and unused tiles. Don't forget to check out my work at my website, www.strolldigital.com. So, this is the end of the game. No more plays can be made. I went to my opponent. He or she could not make a play. Came back to me. I used all my tiles. Goes back to my opponent, and my opponent couldn't use any of the tiles. The game is now officially over, and we add up all the scores. As you can see here, there's 3 letters left in my opponent's rack, A, E, and T, and each one is worth 1 point. So because I have 0 tiles left, I get, not only does my opponent subtract 3 points from their total score, but I get these points to my score. It would be different if I had, say, I had a V left over. We simply both subtract these amounts from our total score. So my total score would be reduced by 4, and my opponent's would be reduced by 3. That's pretty much the end of the game. Sometimes that gets confusing. People play different house rules, but those are the official rules of Scrabble as far as how to end the game of Scrabble.